Good evening and a warm welcome to you. And I'm so glad you're watching this. Today is the day for a Facebook Live. If you do not know about it, every Thursday I am live on Facebook at 9 p.m. The topics of the live are around beauty and wellness. They also have about enhancing your immunity. So we will be talking about action steps. We will be talking about the best practices which ensure that you can take some action steps, you get certain facts right, you can expel certain myths, and which is going to empower you to take some action steps. And these action steps can ensure that you have amazing skin, amazing hair and amazing body shape and extremely good immunity. And this can happen at any age, no matter where you live, no matter what kind of results you have got before. You would agree with me that knowledge is something that empowers, but yes, random knowledge, bits of knowledge without the complete information, or knowledge which is not curated, knowledge which is not simplified, may not have been able to help you. But now, because we are talking about simple action steps, and I will only be talking about things that have worked. Yes, there is a lot of content available. Even the medical textbooks talk about a lot of things, but there is a gap between theory and practice. And the best part is, I have been a extremely studious student, in case you didn't know, and I am also a passionate researcher. I'm a passionate learner and a reader, and I have been 11 years in the field of wellness and aesthetic medicine, working with men and women of different ages, of different lifestyles, of different health, existing state of health, and having different aspirations. And I have worked with all of them, and most of them have been delighted. The proof of this is we have over 500 5-star Google ratings, and we keep getting a Google rating almost every day from our delighted clients who say that we have exceeded expectations. And the secret to this exceeding expectations is forming a bridge between what is in the textbook and what really works, because we need to also consider the psychology of a person, the likes and dislikes of the person, before we can put them on a lifestyle modification. So what here I am talking about is wellness, and wellness is not a one-day thing. So if I am not giving you a solution that is easy for you to implement, that is possible for you to do day in and day out, almost every day, despite of your busy lifestyle, I need to ensure that I take care of your preferences. So when I use scientific knowledge and I take care of your preferences, that is when I can give you transformational results. Reason being, that is when you're going to be consistent and persistent. And all of you know that consistency and being persistent is actually a superpower. So if you do the right thing and if you're consistent and persistent about it, you are sure to get results. Rather, I could say that you're sure to get incredible results. So the topic of the day is glutathione, which is the mother of all antioxidants, or the master antioxidant. There is a lot of talk around glutathione because glutathione is with the hashtag of a celebrity antioxidant. So you would love to know what this glutathione is and what it could do for you. So last week, which is last Thursday, on Facebook, I had a live conversation about antioxidants, and I think if you haven't watched it, you must go and watch it. I have downloaded it and put it on my YouTube. It's a 20-25 minute conversation, but yes, it's a very powerful conversation. I will say that it's a good investment of your time if you or your loved ones can watch that video, because understanding antioxidants and what it can do for you is a definite must do for each one of you, especially since I know you Gautam, I know you Sandeep, and I know that you are ambitious, proactive, with a lot of dreams. Your lives do have a lot of challenges and stress. You are people who put your work before you, and many times your meal times or your sleep times may be compromised, may be disturbed, which is true for all of us. As much as we know, eating right, eating on time, sleeping right, sleeping on time are the basics. It is not always possible to implement. So we have to get that sweet spot where we do some changes in the lifestyle, but at the same time we use smart hacks. And these smart hacks are like using antioxidants, because we all know that our body is undergoing oxidative stress, and we know that we are making some mistakes in our day to day. Despite, I do not say that make your mistakes and then go hold up on antioxidants. Obviously, I'm not that kind of a person. People who know me, people who've been following me, know that I believe that quick fixes are not the way to go. You can have 20% of feel good or instant gratification, but yes, nothing substitutes what you are on the inside. Nothing substitutes your values, your habits, and your deep understanding of how to do what you want to do. But let's keep that for another time, and let us continue to talk about antioxidants, primarily glutathione. So in short, an antioxidant is something that removes the rust from the body. Why am I using the word rust? I'm just using a metaphor. Like iron gets rusted, and the rusting of the iron is known as an oxidative process. Silver goes black, and the silver turning black is known as an oxidative process. So similarly, in our bodies, because of exposure to a lot of things which our body does not really love, because of certain stressors both in the mind and at the body level, the body also has something called as an oxidation, which can be compared to the rusting of the iron. And this oxidative process is what makes every cell of your body unhealthy. Antioxidants are used a lot in skin and hair, but actually I love antioxidants because they follow the principle of awesome inside out. So an antioxidant works at the cellular level, removes oxidative stress from a cellular level, makes the cell really healthy, and as a byproduct you get better looking skin and better looking hair. How amazing is that? Yes, you get a much better immunity too. So we are talking about the celebrity antioxidant. There are various levels of antioxidant. Again, I would remind you to go back and spend those 20 minutes listening to that video on antioxidant, because that will help you understand how an antioxidant can be an easy and cost-effective, game-changing supplement for you. Yes, those of you who feel that I do not want to take supplements and I would like to get all my nutrition from food, even then that is a very good conversation, because it helps you understand how important these antioxidants are. And it is not necessary to supplement these antioxidants only through some tablets or some syrups. You can get these antioxidants even from the food, but yes, that is a very responsible decision, because you need to have a lot of raw foods. You have to have it at a right quantity. Now coming to glutathione. Why is glutathione called as a celebrity antioxidant? Because glutathione has the maximum capacity to eliminate the free radicals from the body. Whereby I mean that it has the maximum capacity to remove this unwanted oxidation that has happened at a cellular level. So when glutathione is taken in the body and the cells get really clean, like the oxidative stress of the body is removed, what actually happens is the person starts looking extremely glowing, the person starts de-tanning, and the person looks very fair. So because of this, you have seen a lot of celebrities, and you know that their skin looks absolutely flawless. Their skin doesn't, maybe when you see them and you see them after many years, you see that their skin tone has lightened many times. You see that their skin has a beautiful glow. So these glow can come from antioxidants, and there have been a lot of studies, there have been some rumors too, but then there have been a lot of celebrities who have endorsed the antioxidant glutathione, because the antioxidant, as a byproduct of making you healthy at a cellular level, is going to give you a absolutely radiant skin, is going to detan your skin and help you look fairer than you looked when you were tanned. And because of this, a lot of celebrities are kind of addicted to antioxidants. Well, I wouldn't call it an addiction, because these things are really healthy. When we use the word addiction, we think of certain negative things, but these are probably, you can call it an addiction, because once I once wrote a quote which said that once you look up and have a taste of the sky, you will never stop looking up. Similarly, once you have experienced the massive results and the massive benefits without any hassle, the ease of taking antioxidants and the massive benefits that you get from antioxidants, I do not think you would ever want to stop taking an antioxidant. So Siddhi has written a question. So he has some beard problems. So Siddhi, this conversation is about antioxidants. So I will definitely answer your question. So we will connect one-to-one and answer your question. And if I feel that the question you're asking is a very common question and a lot of people are asking me that question, I would do a FB live or an Instagram live on it. If I feel that very few people have this question, I will talk to you one-to-one. So Siddhi, thank you so much for your question, and I will connect with you offline and I will make sure that I answer your question and ensure that you get the results. So we have answered why glutathione is known as a celebrity antioxidant. Now I want to tell you that glutathione was discovered by accident. So when cancer patients were undergoing chemotherapy, because of the high intensity of the medicine that their bodies were taking, it was observed that they were feeling very weak, and there was a lot of energy drainage in the body, and their skin and hair both were deteriorating because of all the side effects of chemotherapy. So then the doctors decided that they were undergoing oxidative stress. This chemotherapy that was being given to the cancer patients was causing a lot of oxidative stress, and all the doctors said that they need a really good antioxidant. They need a very potent antioxidant, and they researched a molecule which actually is a molecule you get from food. So children have a lot of glutathione in their body because they do not have so much of oxidative stress. So glutathione is something which you can get from select foods, but as you grow up and as you start living more and more stressful, more and more indisciplined lifestyle, then you need a lot of glutathione, and that is where supplementation is a game changer. So as these cancer patients had a lot of oxidative stress and they had visible signs of oxidative stress, the research molecule decided to synthesize glutathione, the celebrity antioxidant that we are talking about today. And as it was in a clinical study, when it was given to these patients, they started showing a lot of improvement in their general health and energy, and also they started showing that their skin and hair dramatically improved. They could actually see a glow, they could see a great detan, a lot of color change in both the skin and the hair, and that is how glutathione became the favorite molecule of the skin doctors. Because yes, though we say that beauty is just skin deep or it's just about the skin, the understanding is that the skin, like the eyes are the mirrors of the soul, the skin and the hair can be a mirror of your general health, and the more you are healthy at a cellular level, the more beautiful glowing skin or the more easy to maintain skin and hair you are going to have. So that is how glutathione was discovered. Now let me tell you a few facts of glutathione. We have 15 minutes to go and we have a few things to talk about. I will keep it short and crisp because I do not want to overwhelm you with information, and I will try to answer all the common questions that are generally asked to me. But even after that, if you have any specific questions about glutathione, which is the mother of all antioxidants or the celebrity antioxidant, you could write to me and I will be answering them in this live itself. If you have any questions for me which are not about glutathione, we will be answering them in another conversation, or we will answer them one-to-one. Is that okay? So then, continuing about glutathione. So then you could choose any antioxidant to be consumed every single day. In fact, I believe everybody should understand or everybody should explore the benefits of antioxidants, and if possible, if they resonate with taking some extra care of their health, if they resonate with being proactive, I think it's a very good idea to be taking one antioxidant a day over a long period of time, because we all do not like the word aging, but we also say age gracefully. But then aging is not just about the graying of the hair or the wrinkles on the face. Aging is about low energy, low enthusiasm, a lot of metabolic diseases like a diabetes, a high cholesterol, arthritis, and so many other problems. So when we are talking about changing at a cellular level, we are talking about slowing down all of this. Antioxidants are known to be very effective to prevent or to better control diabetes. Antioxidants are known to better control polycystic ovarian diseases. So an antioxidant has multiple benefits, and the best benefit is that it shows, because there may be benefits at an internal level, but when the benefit shows and people get compliments, it is even more motivating to them to take action. So if you take the right antioxidant, if you take a good quality antioxidant, and you make some basic changes in your lifestyle, and I think if you do it for 6 weeks, there are sure to be visible changes in your skin radiance, in the way your skin behaves in the sun, in your skin freshness too. So you start seeing it, and you definitely get a couple of compliments. Many people have said that they get compliments in 3 weeks itself, and so for some people it takes 6 weeks. So how can you consume this antioxidant glutathione? It is a supplement. So what is a supplement? A supplement is a synthetic preparation. It is made by the pharmaceutical companies, and which is made by the chemical structure similar to the naturally occurring glutathione. Like we have vitamin C supplements, like we have iron supplements. These are glutathione supplements, easily available. Many brands of glutathione are available. I prescribe a few brands which I have clinical experience with. All brands are not the same. So we all know, we all even buy chai powder, and we buy so many things. We buy hing, and we buy turmeric, and we buy even salt, and we know that all brands are not the same. Similarly, when it comes to pharmaceutical products, when it comes to nutritions or nutraceuticals, you may say that I might be prescribing something from a particular company, and you may say that you are taking a similar thing from another company, which is perfectly fine. But I just want to be very candid in this conversation and say that a nutraceutical from company A and a nutraceutical from company B is not the same. The source of the product, the way of manufacturing of the product, the storage of the product, the coating of the product, whether the product is some products are hydrolyzed, stabilized. So there are a lot of concepts which come in pharmacy, and certain products definitely give much better results than certain other products. Also, the dosage of glutathione in capsule A and capsule B can be very, very different. So even though this conversation is to empower you, this conversation is not for you to Google and buy glutathione, because that may or may not work. This conversation is the next time you meet your family doctor, the next time you meet your dietitian, the next time you meet your skin doctor, the next time you meet your wellness consultant, to find out how glutathione can be useful for you. This is to open up your mind to newer possibilities, to newer ideas, to say that you have many more choices than the few choices you have been taking, and saying that I'm not delighted by those choices. There are much better choices. There are best practices that are happening all over the world. Those are the conversations I'm going to have with you, and you can figure out for yourself if these best practices are the right fit for you. But always go for a prescription. Why do I insist you should go for a prescription? Because if I write a prescription for you, then I sign on it, then I am responsible for ensuring that this thing works. I have done some kind of study on the material and only then prescribe to you. Most doctors, like I have 11 years of experience in the field of aesthetic medicine, so I have worked with so many different kind of clients. So more than the knowledge and the clinical study I have of every molecule, I have a lot of clinical experience, which is in real time. I know which product produces what kind of results. So I would surely recommend that it doesn't make any sense to go over the counter and just pick up a product which nobody takes any responsibility for. I would request you to change that mindset. In fact, that mindset is causing a lot of damage because people are using half knowledge to self-medicate themselves, and then they say, I have used it all, I have tried it all this is bogus and nothing works. And that's what a lot of people are saying. But on the other side, there are a lot of people who have produced incredible results for themselves. So I'm sure you do understand that the value an expert with over a decade of experience can add in your life is priceless, and please take advantage of that experience that expert has. So glutathione can be taken in a tablet form. So it is available like a vitamin C tablet, a glutathione tablet is available. Those of you who are talking about, when I'm talking about medicines, I'm sure you want to know if it is absolutely safe, because I think that is the first thing that comes to your mind. Yes, we do not like taking medicines, but when it comes to medicinal supplementations, we should know that even though they may be in a tablet form, they may be in a capsule form, it will say on the label, this is not a medicine, this is a food supplement. So glutathione comes under the thing of food supplements. It is vegetarian in origin because it is synthetically manufactured, and it is commonly available in a tablet form. But those of you who do not want to take it in a tablet, you also get it in a dispersible tablet form, so you can drink it like an orange juice. There are a lot of orange flavored glutathiones available. So instead of having that glass of orange juice, you could just drop that tablet of glutathione and drink that water like an orange juice. It has much more benefits than that of an orange juice. And besides, it does not even contain calories, because orange juice, whether you have it from the can with sugar or you have an absolutely sugar-free orange juice, or even if you're making your own orange juice, juices have a lot of calories. Juices do have some positives, but juices do have some negatives too. So I would recommend a glutathione tablet put in water as a juice form over an orange juice. You can explore if it makes sense to you. Also, it is available now as a spray. So glutathione sublingual sprays are also available. So because nutraceuticals are becoming more and more popular, yes, they were always popular in the West, and then certain segment of people started using them and seeing the benefits of these nutraceuticals, and then people said, why not take it to everybody who's aspirational? You would agree with me that today investing in yourself, going to a gym, taking care of your skin and hair, wanting to be the best version of yourself, taking that extra effort to be the best version of yourself is not limited only to the celebrities. I think it is for anybody who understands the power of their personality and who wants to take that extra step to make a perfect impression every time. So a lot of people are, more and more people are choosing what once upon a time only the celebrities were choosing, and because of which the cosmeceutical market is getting more and more popular. The nutraceutical market is getting more and more popular. Nutraceutical are nutrition from the pharmaceutical companies. So there is a clinical paper published on this nutrition. There are a lot of trials done, and these nutrition, though they are not medicines, they can produce transformational results. Now the only problem with glutathione is an expensive molecule. So when it comes to antioxidants, it is the mother of all antioxidants. It is a master antioxidant. So since it is the top end, like the top end model of the car, it's the most expensive. Similarly, there are many cheaper antioxidants, value for money antioxidants. They are also effective, but glutathione can 10x or 20x or 50x help you with the reversal of the oxidative stress, or combine with the free radicals and help you with antioxidation compared to a vitamin C or any other molecule. So if you have the budget, you might want to consider glutathione. Taking the right brand of glutathione in the right way consistently, I have definitely seen clinical results. I have seen people look better, feel better, experience more energy in as little as 21 days, and I think it's a good idea for you to ask the right questions. So this conversation is just to open up your mind to new ideas, to just make you aware that you know certain things. Like everybody knows about vitamin C and everybody is super comfortable with vitamin C, but when it comes to glutathione, people have very little knowledge about glutathione, and somewhere think, since when you have very little knowledge, either you're fearful of it or you feel this is not for me. So this is just to make you aware that probably glutathione could be exactly what you're looking for. So if this entire conversation somewhere resonates with you and you start feeling ki, yes, this could be for me, I am open. I will be answering all your questions personally, but not in this conversation because we have very, very little time. We will be answering these questions. If you write to me on chat, yes, I will answer them on chat. If you write to me on mail, you can go to my website www.skinsense.co.in and you can write to me. Me or my team of doctors will schedule a call with you. In fact, my team of doctors will schedule a call with you. It will be a 10-minute call and we will answer all your questions, because as a team, we are on a mission to inspire and educate. We believe that through inspiration and saying that what else is possible, we can educate people more and more. And yes, we believe knowledge is power, and by educating also we can inspire. So I think it's a beautiful circle where education and inspiration come one after the other and can cause transformational changes. Now in the last 5 minutes, I would like to talk about few things you must know about glutathione. So I did say that it's completely safe, but children do not need it. The more, I think I wouldn't start glutathione for a person who's less than 25 years of age, because till that age there is not so much oxidative stress. So I would start glutathione only after the age of 25, not because there are any side effects for somebody less than that, but I think it's not needed at all. After the age of 25, I would definitely want everybody to take an antioxidant. I'll be happy if you can choose glutathione as an antioxidant, and I would want you to take it for 3 months, or rather at SkinSense we say 100 days, most of the days without forgetting, once a day. If you can take glutathione for 100 days, you will be able to see all the benefits that I have been talking about. And yes, it's visible. In fact, it's visible even on a photograph. The feeling comes first. You start taking glutathione, and after a month, if I asked you, if I review you about your overall energy and enthusiasm, most people have said that yes, it has improved their energy and enthusiasm because they are healthy at a cellular level. But then, since it's an aesthetic clinic, and at an aesthetic clinic, the looks conversation is always there. I have seen that people who have started glutathione definitely have got a couple of compliments, or more than a couple of compliments, in 1 month itself. But yes, if you start it, I would want you to continue it for 100 days. And if you think that you don't want to continue it for that long, or that's not the kind of budget you have, I do not believe in quick fixes, and I would not recommend glutathione for you. And also I want you to know that oxidation is a continuous process. So I'm just making some kind of a chota package. I'm just making one level of change by saying 3 months or 100 days, but actually these vitamins and antioxidants and collagen and protein have to be taken over an extended period of time. If you take them over an extended period of time, celebrities are taking them for an extended period of time, and that is how they're getting these transformational results. They are taking them in huge dosages. So you have to take them at the right dose for an extended period of time to get unbelievable results. And yes, to maintain those unbelievable results, you may have to continue them for a long period of time. But if you are looking at good results, great results, you are not looking at unbelievable results, I still think even 100 days of glutathione with a Saturday, Sunday maintenance can definitely take the freshness and glow of your skin to the next level. And 2 reasons I really like antioxidants. Reason number 1 is it works on the entire face and body. So then it's not like I am applying a cream and only my face is glowing, but when I look at my hands or when I look at my arms, that doesn't seem to have any improvement at all. But when I'm working on the inside, when I'm working on improvement at a cellular level, whatever positive changes I'm getting in the skin, I am getting everywhere. I'm not just getting it on the face, I'm even getting it on my hands, on my legs, on my knees, on my back. Isn't that amazing? So isn't, when you evaluate it in that way, whatever you are spending actually is an investment, because it is giving you multiple benefits. What another spend which may be just half the cost, a cream may make your skin glow, but then a glutathione can make your skin all over the body glow. And I think that is definitely a better investment if you understand and think about it. Another reason I really like antioxidants is I believe in the principle of awesome inside out. So I do not believe in bleaches. I do not believe in fact, Skin Sense uses only medical rejuvenation techniques. We do not have like come today and glow tomorrow, or walk in and walk out looking differently. That's not how we work. Yes, most of you have seen the incredible results that we have been producing for 11 years. We have more and more success stories. We have so many before after pictures which all of you encourage me by saying, wow, this is so amazing. Thank you so much for that. But all those success stories have taken 4 to 6 months to create, because that is our principle, awesome inside out, transforming at a cellular level. That is the reason I love antioxidants. So thank you so much. It's 30 minutes and I think a couple of your questions have been answered. A couple of your things have been put into perspectives. The whole intention was just opening up your mind to thinking about new opportunities, new options, and asking me more and more questions and empowering yourself. Please do not wait till it is very late, because certain changes are not reversible. Always act at the right time. A stitch in time saves 9, they say. And probably you are listening to this conversation, and I would want you to spend 2 minutes to think about whether you just want to listen to this conversation, or if something in this conversation has made sense to you, do you want to ask some questions and take a decision to be proactive and start the journey to be awesome inside out, start the journey to be the best version of yourself. I go live every Tuesday on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, please follow me on hashtag I love Skin Sense, because we have some very, very interesting topics coming up on Instagram. In fact, the series on Instagram I did on face yoga, how you can do some yoga exercises to eliminate your double chin. I think that's very, very popular. I have saved it and put it on YouTube. My name is Dr. Shweta Iyengar. Clinic name is Skin Sense. You can Google me on YouTube. You will definitely find something of value there. So thank you once again for so many likes. It really, really inspires me. And it keeps, people ask me, how do you show up so often? Where do you come up with so much content from? How can you be so persistent and consistent? Where do you get so many topics to talk on? It is because you inspire me. And you know what a great power the inspiration is. So with inspiration, anything is possible. So I'll end this conversation with saying thank you so much for being so inspirational and supportive. Look forward to see you next Tuesday on Instagram and Thursdays on Facebook. If you have a particular topic you would want me to talk about, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to talk about the topic. Bye-bye.